to AOT, select the standard object, and what you have to do, you can duplicate in project. Once you do that, it's automatically duplicate this object in your project. Just doing that. If you want to create this similar form or similar thing, you can do like this, and we can customize this now. So it's created a purge table copy. Open this. Now you can do whatever you want with this object. If you want to use like that, using in the sense, I'm just see indirectly we are creating a purge table, but it's a new object. It's not a we are not customizing the standard objects. It's a new object. Okay. You can change the name, and you can see how they have added here and everything. How many tables are added. If you want to delete something, you can delete, and if you want to modify something, you can do it. Okay. So, but end of the day, standard object is there already. From the UI standard object only, it is opening. If you want to open this one after customizing all those things, if you want to open the place of standard objects, you have to do something else. Or else, if you want to add this separate object purge table copy or purge table 2 from the UI, you can add this once you do all the modifications. Okay, you can do a lot of things. First of all, you have to start practicing. You have to put your hands on the application. Okay. So just deleting this. So what I'm doing, I'm going to create a new form. But before that, let me talk about this different types of joins in D365. Right. So I'm going to talk about this scenario where you will understand very clearly. Okay. Try to see this data. First of all, you try to understand so that we'll discuss about it. First thing is the car table. It's a main table. Okay. Here car ID is the primary key field. Right. And we have model year, car brand, car model, mileage. I mean model year and car ID. I mean 2 times we have, but anyway, leave about it. So the main thing is car ID. So second table is rental table. So the concept is you will have the different types of cars. You're going to rent them to the customers. That is the functionality. So here the second table is rental table. In the rental table, you will have the rental ID, customer account, car ID, from date to date. You'll have. Okay. So here in this case, what is the foreign key relation here? In this table, car ID. That is normal relation. So in this rental table, I will create a relation with the rental table dot car ID equal to car table dot car ID. So rental ID is in this table, it's a primary key field. Clear now? Second one is customer account. Customer account is nothing but from the customer table, account number will have that. So here I am setting the relation. Here also I will create the customer account field. Then I will add the relation. So rental table dot customer account equal to customer table dot customer account. Okay. Something like this. Are you understanding? So this is the normal relation. We know, right?
Yeah.
Rental table we will create this relation, but we will have that field actually. Fields we will have the customer account, car ID, and title. Like this, we will have all the fields. Okay. So in this case, you're understanding, right? This table structure you understood, right? Any doubts?
Yes.
Till now?
Yes. No doubt.
Yeah. If you understand this, then only you can understand the joins.
Okay.
I'm duplicating here. So the first tab I have, second tab also I have. When I go down, we have the joins called different types of joins. What is the joins concept means? First of all, to link with the multiple tables. For example, we have the customer table and customer transactions. So for customer table and customer transactions, we have to join them to bring the data. For example, to join them, so definitely the two tables might have already relation. So in this case, these two tables have the relation with the normal relation. What is the
Okay.
relation field? Car ID here and there also car ID. This is the master table, I would say, main table. This is the child table, I can say.
Okay.
So that relation should be exist with that two tables, then only we can join them. Right? So if you talk about the standard tables, we can say like cust table and customer trans. So both tables
Okay.
will have the cust table is the main table, customer transaction is the child table. They'll have the relation with the customer account. So joins will be using to get the data by using the matching records or non-matching records, something like that. Okay, let me see. We have the different joins. One is inner join, outer join, exist join, and not exist join. Exist join, not exist join. Okay.
Okay.
There are four types of joins are there. There are three more are there. One is that we can use it only in the form level. Active, delayed, active, and passive. Okay. So let's talk about these joins initially because these joins are we can use it in the form level or even in the queries also. Queries and query objects. And everywhere we'll use these joins. These are all the default common joins which we'll be using in the database level and everywhere. Okay. So let's talk about the inner join. Okay. What is inner join? How it will work? Inner join will get the data from the post tables. Select records from the main table that having matching records on the join table. Okay. So that means main table record and join table records are joined together and shown as a single record. Let me show you that how it will work. So if you see in this case, if I use the inner join, okay, when I use the inner join, what will happen? It will show the matching records. Say for example, as we have discussed here in this scenario, so we'll have two here also. We'll put like same car table. You can see the same thing. We'll have the car table. So it will show the matching records from the join table and this is the parent table, right? This is the
Yeah.
join table. So from the parent table, it will show all the matching records, which is matching with the join table. Here also it will show the matching records on the parent table. From the both
Okay.
places, whichever is matching, it will get all the records. If you see in this
Okay.
scenario, here I have written the query to fetch that. This is a query. We'll discuss about the query, how we will write it. The query level, we are using the inner join. Default, if you are not, if you don't put anything, while select car table, join. I'm simply keeping as a join. I'm not mentioning anything, whether it is inner join or outer join, anything. It will default considered as a inner join. You see the info, I'm just showing in the info here. So if you see in this, you can see what is the data you are getting. Okay. So what is the data we are getting? If you compare with the data, you will understand. So from the car table, I just have given only two fields. From the car table, I have given the car ID. From rental table, I have given the rental ID.
Okay.
Okay. From car
Okay.
table, I am getting car ID two times and car ID 1, again 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. From rental table 1, 5, 2, 3, 6, 4. I mean 1 minute. Let me close the door. So if you see here, if you match with this data, so car, I mean, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 car IDs are there in the main table. When you see here, what all the records are matching? 1 is matching with car ID. Okay. 2 is matching. 1 time is there too. 3 is matching. 2 times matching this one. Matching 2 times.
Okay.
Okay. 1 also
Yeah.
matching 2 times.
Yes.
Car ID 1 matching 2 times. That means 2 times 2 transactions are there here. 2 is
Okay.
matching only 1 time. 3 is matching 2 times. 4 is matching only 1 time. So if you see the data output here, so 1 is matching 2 times. So you got the 2 records. Okay. That means even in the header also it will show two times because it is matching 2 times.
Okay.
You guys are understanding or are getting any confusion? If you see when it is matching here 1, 2 times, the first one matching record rental ID is 1. Second time matching rental ID is 5. Okay. You go and see this output. First time matching is 1. Second time matching is 5. Here in this image. I hope you can see clearly now. But anyway, we will see once again in the form level. I'm just making you understand more about it actually. So the main thing is here, whatever the matching records are there from the header to the join table, we'll bring the matching records in the header level and the join table also, both places.
Okay.
So in this case, inner join. This 1 is matching 2 times. In the header table, it will show 2 times when you are joining in the form level. In the child table also, it will show 2 times.
Yeah.
Because why it is showing here 2 times? It is matching 2 times here.
Yeah.
Both places
That
it will fetch and
already they have taken 2 times the rental.
Yeah, 2 transactions are there.
Yeah, 2 transactions for the same car ID.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
for 2, it's almost 3 transactions. For the 2, 3.
For 2, we have only 1 transaction only, no?
Yeah, only one. For 3, 2 transactions, correct?
Yeah, for 3, we have 3 transactions. Sorry, 2 transactions.
Yeah,
This
for
one.
2 transactions. Yeah. Okay.
4,
The
we have only
transaction
1.
identified with the car ID. Because it's a common, it's a inner join, correct?
Exactly. So it is not fetching other data. It is not fetching 5 and 6. It is not fetching these 2 records also, which is not matching.
Yeah.
It will not fetch other data. It will fetch only the data which is matching with the child table. The data will be fetched from the parent table and child table, and all the matching records in the child table, and even in the parent table also it will show the matching records. How many matchings are there? How that many times it will show in the header table also.
Okay.
Okay. So that is how it is happening here. You can see here. This is inner join. Because in the header table you will not have duplicates, right? Why it is showing duplicate here? Because it is matching 2 times here in the join table. Okay. So this is the car table. Car table is always unique. Car ID. Why it is showing 2 times? That is joining 2 times with the child table. Is it clear?
Joining 2 times with the child
Joining
table,
means
correct?
finding 2 times with the child table. The transaction is there 2 times. The same car ID. So that's why it is showing 2 times. Here it is showing 2 times. But actually we will not, in this case, we will not use that scenario. We will not use the joins. I mean, inner join, we will not use it.
Okay.
We will use it maybe delayed or, outer join, something like that. Okay. This is the inner join. Clear now, everybody? Akhil.
He's in mute. You put the good.
I put him in mute actually.
Yes.
I don't have option to unmute him. He has to do that. Okay, fine. If you have any doubts, you just ask me right away. Okay. So that is inner join. The outer join is nothing but selects all the records from the main table Okay, and related records from the join table. That means, just close this one. Selects all the records from the main table. That means if you see here in this case, what all the records from the main table, we will get all the records, irrespective of whether it is joining or not. It is related records are not there.
Okay.
But from the child table, it will get only matching records. What are the matching records? 1, 2,
3, 4.
3, 4. Other records will not get. That's how it will work.
Okay.
That is the outer join. If you see the data here, so in the query, we will use the outer join.
Okay.
We will see that queries later. If you see here, the first field is from the car table, from the main table. CA 10101 102 103 3 2 times 4 1 time 5 6 also we got. We got all the records.
Yeah.
Based on the matching, we are getting 2 times also. 1 is 2 times, 3 is 2 times. All things we got it. From the child table rental ID, we got it only for the matching. 1 2 3 4 5 6. That is rental ID. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 8 and 7 we have not got it because these two are not matching.
Yes.
So from the main table, you will get all the records irrespective of matching. From the join table, that is from in the child table, you got only matching records.
Okay.
But this case also we cannot use it here. What will happen again? It will also repeat here, outer join also. Even though you will get all the records here, if it is matching with one record, it is matching records are repeating, right? If there are 2 transactions.
Yes.
Outer also we cannot use it. We generally will use a delayed over there.
Okay.
Anyway, I'll show you that later. This is the outer join. Next one is exist join. Exist join is very simple. Exist join, select record, not records. Select record from the main table only if there is matching records in the join table. So how it will work? If you see in this table, it will take the first record. It will go and check in this table. The record is matching. Show this record. Done. Select the second record. Go and check. It is there. Show this record. The main table only. Here only.
Okay.
So select the third record. It is matching. Show this. Done. Fourth. Done. That's all. These 4 records you can see. It will show only from the main table data. It will not show any data from the child table. That too only first matching record it will show. Even though this first one is matching 2 times, it won't show. It will show only first unique records from the main table in simple way. You see here. Are you understanding? You see here. It is showing 1, 2, 3, 4. Only these 3, 4 records are matching with the child table. So these data also showing from the main table. From child table, it is not showing any data.
Okay.
Clear? This is the exist join. Not exist join is whichever the data is not matching with the child table. So what is the data here? It is not matching with the child table. Can you guys tell me? From the main table, the child table, what records are not matching? Hello? From this car IDs, which car ID is not matching with this table car IDs? Hello, are you there? Hello? Lakshman, are you understanding what we are discussing? So the last one is not exist join. The not exist join is all about so not exist join is nothing but whichever is not matching, those records will get it. So if you see in this table, the 105 and 106, these two records are not matching. So these two records only will get in the output from the main table. From the child table, we will not get anything. But then generally for exist and not exist join, always will get the data from the main table, not from the child table. Okay.